Hi, everybody. So let's talk about the pen key or the pen option that is in Floriani. This is a drawing tool that you will use if you wanted to create your own drawing, if you wanted to create, say, your own stipple work, for example. The one thing in regards to the pen is that for the majority of the work that you're going to do using a pen, you will need to hold down your right mouse button. Now, if you do let up on the on the mouse button while you are doing this, the line will connect, but it may not connect in the direction that you want it. For example, it may add a curve in there when you wanted a straight line. So that is something that you're going to need to practice using and working with so that you get a feel for how the right mouse button is going to function, especially if you let up on it a little bit while you're drawing. In my case, for those of you that have taken my class at Jones Sew and Vac, you'll know that because I do a lot of detail work when it comes to digitizing, I actually use a Wacom tablet and a pen to do my drawings because I feel like I get better control when I am digitizing something. And so my designs are done slightly differently, but it's the same concept where you do hold down the right mouse button and you do draw. And if you're like me, I can't draw a stick figure, to be honest. And so the majority of the work that I do with a pen is tracing or outlining to create designs in an embroidery, because I am not good at drawing at all. So let's jump in and talk about it. You are going to select your artwork, and then you will select your pen option. And then I want you to come down here on the screen, and this is just something I kind of want you to play with. You will notice that I do have my crosshairs. And let's just say that, we want to create our own stippling for a block. It's actually pretty simple. You're going to hold your right mouse key down, and you're just going to move your mouse around as you hold that key down, and you're going to create, a unique design. And you can see there's a couple of places where, my lines have touched, and I can always go in and adjust that. But this is, it's just kind of, this is doodling. And what I want you to do is I want you to practice just, doodling some different things, doodling some different objects, get familiar with the way that it feels to move that pen around. And you'll notice when I lifted up the right mouse key, I now have stitch points that are in and out. Now, if I want to change that, just like we've done with the other designs, I can come here and I can select between these 2 points, and I can drag that out. I can, curve it a little bit more. I can make those adjustments. So you can get in there and kind of, clean it up. For example, like I said, if you were using this as the base for a stipple stitch, you could do that. That's not a problem. Again, this is going to be an artwork, and you're going to have to change it and make it into a run. But if you were designing this as a stipple stitch, you could do that. If we go back again and we get the pen, and if I was a really good artist, which I'm not, I could draw a little, I have no idea what that would be. We'll call it a cloud. If I was, wanted to draw I wanted a heart on my project, and I'm not good at it, the pen will let you, draw your heart. So this is just, using the pen is a matter of practice. It's a matter of getting comfortable with your mouse. It's a matter of holding your mouse key down and getting comfortable with that. So it's a little more versatile when it comes to what you can do, because you can freehand the work that you're doing. The other thing that's kind of neat is if you wanted to, let's say, let's open a new file. Let's say that, at the bottom of a gift, you wanted to sign your name, and this, you could work very carefully at doing that, and that is not my signature, but you get the general idea. Or you could do something like that, where you could say "Love Mom" and give it a little bit of personalization. And so the pen is really good at doing that, and giving you that ability to kind of freehand some things. And so it's a feature that we're going to use in this month's project. It's something that we'll use for several different things. And so again, this is a draw tool that I want you to practice with. I want you to get comfortable with it. And then we will apply it when we get into the 2023 March 2023 project. Thanks.